Okay guys, this is day 2 of the festival and I really don't have anything to wear, fiberish to wear. That's why I'm wearing this top. But I found that I had this cardigan that I had made, and I had made like a top to go with it. I wore it because I made the sleeves like super huge, as you can see, and I wasn't feeling it like that, so huge. But this is the only wearable thing that I have, so I'm gonna put this on and see how this might look over it. The length is perfect. I like the length, and I also added pockets because I'm a pocket girl. I need some pockets in my life. But my sleeves, look at my sleeves. They are huge. Like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking when I did this? Yeah, I mean, it's still pretty cool. So I could go out and wear it like this. I'm going to sew some buttons real quick before we leave. And I could wear it like this. There we go. So I can do this. Go like this. We'll see. This material is kind of hot to me, and that's what made me realize I cannot use 100% acrylic because my skin would be on fire. With that being said, the girls are still getting ready. While they're getting ready, I want to sew some buttons on this so I can be able to pin it and keep it closed, because it's kind of weighty and I don't want it to keep slipping off of me. So I'm gonna sew some buttons. I got my button bags right here, so I'm gonna sew some buttons. I'm gonna make the buttons colorful too. But yesterday I also forgot to show y'all what else I got. It was with my daughter, but I got this fan. Oh my gosh, at the fair. Isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna open it up, but it's handmade. It comes like that. If you want to close it and then open it, you just squeeze it and you do it like this, and then it open up. I just love the colors. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. It also, why I chose this color, because it reminds me of this color a little bit. These colors, which is St. Lucia color. So that's why I like it. And blue is one of my favorite colors. But yeah, I love the blue. I love the fan. And then you also can close it like this for it to stay, just like that. And then fan yourself when you're hot. Woo. Woo. Yeah, so this is what I bought. So today is day 2 of the fair, so we will go and see what day 2 has to offer. Okay, so I added my one button. I added a button, just one, and I love it because then it'll stay on. And I did tuck my shirt in, so you can't see it. I just left the back out. You can't see it since this covers everything. So yeah, so I like that. I put it together, and yeah, I love it. So we'll see how I feel in it throughout the day. Hey guys, we made it to day 2 of this expo fair. Sunny today, so I'm hoping, because I'm wearing this, you know, thick cardi, so I hope I don't be too hot and sweaty, but feels good. Look at the girls getting ready. So yeah, let's get to it. spinner yesterday, so I'm getting some yarn to spin. Drop spindle. So this is the color I'm gonna get. Isn't it pretty? Yes. And my daughter,
Me.
she's getting this one.
Yeah, it's a Christmassy one. And it's a Superfine Merino Cashmere and Silk blend.
So,
It's that one right there.
Oh, this is the one she's getting.
Yeah. And you got...
I got this one up here.
BFL. Yes.
Okay guys, we are on a lunch break. We're doing a lunch break now, and we're gonna eat outside. The weather is nice out here. A little chilly, but not that bad. So I'm waiting on the girls to bring out food, because I am hungry. This is how it looks out here. That building over there is where we have the, let me see. Yeah, that building over there with the white vehicle, that's where the fair is held in. Nice waterfall. So, I would say this is the ending, or end when we go home. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, it's the next day. Well, a couple of days later. I thought I did my ending, but I didn't after we came back from the fiber fair. So this is my ending. And I did not buy a lot of yarn. The girls did. They bought a lot of yarn for their projects. I did get this yarn. I did show y'all at the store, but I did purchase it. So I did get this yarn right here. And this is from Focus. Yeah, so I did get this yarn right here. And it's for the spindle, for the drop spindle that I am going to do. To start doing that I told y'all about. This is it. This is how it looks. It comes like this. It's this long. It's braided. Really soft, and like I said, it's to go with this, the spindle, to work on the spindle. So this is how it comes, and then you're gonna spin it while the yarn is there, and it's gonna spin. I'll figure it out when the time is right, but this is the only thing that I bought other than this and the fan that I showed y'all already. So, and then this little yarn that came with the spindle. So that's all the yarn I did. I went to the fair. It was my first time. I just really went to see what it's like and really to enjoy myself with my girls, and that's what we did. We enjoyed ourselves. We had fun. The girls enjoyed it. So we will be looking forward for next year's fair. We heard that New York has a really nice one, and Washington State, I believe. So I heard they have really good one. It's a really big fair, so we are looking forward to that. So we're gonna plan early. So that's the yarn that I got. That's it. This is my ending. It was good. This is my first time doing this, so I'm a little all over like I told y'all before, but I'm going to stick with it and do here and there with it. So like I said, I am currently working on this, and I'm not done yet. I did this. I started on the sleeves this time. Oh, I did the front. That's one side, and then this is how the other side look. Yeah, it says St. Lucia, so this is it. Yeah, so
This is it.
oh my gosh.
Hi guys, follow me. I'm Mr. Bobbin. Mr. Bobbin. What do you have to say?
That's it. That was my ending.
That was her ending. She'll see you guys next time.